Brighton, good morning.
My country people, I greet everybody. This is the voice of your homeboy, Prince Dr. Ogiwon Brightens. Now he be the MD CEO and the chief inventor of all Brightens Electronics Company products.
You say we don't hear say Brightens get plenty product. Which kind of products now did it get from that Brightens?
Yes, my country people, I want to let you know say for Brightens Electronics, we do it with the call Brightens Alternator Booster, and something will make you feel they use pressing iron with your generator so that the gen not be developed fault. Maybe you not call the buy half engine every time you use it with the call for you heat element electrical material such as pressing iron, boiling ring, or electric kettle. They do solar options where you discover now say they say maybe stock gas, more buy food stuff. People they forget say when you buy a lot of things put for house, you put out for fridge, they don't quick spoil. That's why we do this Brightens solar panel power solution to give you light so that you know go warm your soup up and down for house. Maybe your things not spoil for your refrigerator.
So now this is when you say you get so this product when you say get so how you go fit be possible for ordinary man to fit take get them from Brightens?
We dey sell our product at promo discounted price. The promo of our product is dey end this week Friday. Now this week Friday the promo won't end because apart from the fact that we try our best to maintain the same price when we take start for promo, because we look and say the economy everywhere don dey harsh and things dey difficult for people to survive, so that's why we decide to maintain that promo. So go end on Friday this week. But if you want buy the solar panel, battery, inverter, you get light, you go carry your fan, television, ACs, borrow, deep freezers, depending on the size you buy, you go just deposit only 50,000 naira minimum deposit. That 50,000 naira when you deposit, we go keep your product for you for 4 months. That means because you deposit 50,000 inside the promo, now promo money you take buy am within 4 months. You can dey pay small as your power reach. But if the 4 months end, we discover say you no constantly pay finish, we go give you 1 month free as extra grace. By the end of the 5th month, you go buy the product at the normal price. But if you say no, you don't want to pay small money, you want to use am, they pay. That one na be higher purchase. You go come pay 60% of normal price, not the promo price, 60% of normal price, pay the remaining 40% within 3 months. That one get your own terms and conditions. You go to use and they pay at the same time.
Okay, you go to use and they pay at the same time.
Yes, okay. That one be higher purchase. Now if supposing maybe you said they use our product before, now when there's everybody locked down, maybe the one you get before now lay fan and light they carry. You can't say you want that you go carry your deep freezer or AC or borehole. You go return the one where you fed back. We go tell you the one where you go come pay. We'll tell you how much you go pay. Then you go pay the difference. You go upgrade to the next kVA of higher capacity. So I go carry more electronic. But as long as say the product now our product, don't be say you go bring or you go come. We know it follow you do that one. Now if you be say maybe we dey use our product already, you introduce 6 of your friends when they come buy from us, we will give you the next kVA upgrade free of charge. Free of charge means say you no go pay for that upgrade. So I want to let Nigerians know say apart from that one, we dey do what they call the Brightens automatic changeover.
Yeah, talking about that changeover, they do the changeover when they talk about now. It gets specific type of generator when they fit put this changeover. I've been all type of generator because and they discover say some people who they sleep leave generator even when light come. It gets special generator when people go feel work on.
No, you see, if your generator, even if your gen are single phase or 3-phase gen, you know those gen they use for bank, church, all those big gen, most of them they be 3-phase. We go fit design the automatic changeover for you. But to be able to give you the automatic changeover, it depends on the load where the customer get for that house. With the designer as different amps. The automatic changeover they come in amps, is rated in amps. So we get like 30 amps, 40 amps, 50 amps, 100 amps, 120 amps. The biggest size now 240 amps. So if my customer will get a lot of AC, maybe up to 5, 10, 6 AC borehole for that house, you go buy the 240 amps of the automatic changeover. The reason be say, depending on the load where you get, now the amps of the changeover go take big, so that when they cease your light for night, you dey sleep, you no need to wake up come go dey off AC. You go off your generator, carry you back to national grid, your AC go still dey work. You no go even know say there is light. So that they don't see your light. You know
they don't bring light come.
Or they don't bring light. So you go just on your own off the generator for you. As it off the gen for you, it will take you straight to national grid effortlessly. That's how the automatic changeover take the work. Then the one they call the power switch. Now something will be say if you say you want it from inside house on the gen or from inside house off the gen, that one have be the brightest power switch. You go install that one so that at your convenience you fit on the gen wey dey outside your flat or off the gen wey dey outside your flat from inside house. So there be two separate circuits. The automatic changeover different from the brightest power switch for generator.
Okay, quickly. I see say you don't get energy bulbs for market now. What will be the difference between your energy bulb and the ones when be said they import?
Yeah, you see the brightest super saving LED energy saving bulb. Now bulb they come as 5 watts and 12 watts. But the 5 watts of that bulb, it bright, it shine light past the normal 18 watt energy bulb in the market. You see the advantage of the bulb is that we reduce the input watt, the power consumption, increase the brightness of the bulb. So that if you dey use am for your prepaid meter, it go help you make your prepaid meter card when they quick finish. Or if you dey use am for your analog meter, it go reduce the bill of your analog meter at the end of every month. Or you dey use am with your solar panel, your inverter battery, you go reduce the rate wey the battery go take dey quick dey run down. Or you dey use am for your surrounding light, for your fence, for your hotel, your event center. As long as say na 5 watt the bulb be, just imagine say you buy like 10 pieces of the bulb, that's just 50 watts. So the fuel and diesel wey dey burn for that your event center or your surrounding light for your compound, you go reduce the rate wey that fuel or diesel go take dey finish for your generator. So na bulb wey we recommend for everybody because of power consumption.
Thank you very much. I want to find out all this is what they do so. You get any grant to say you want to train people against tomorrow because we are looking at your own generation when they do all these ones. Generation to come, you get any plan for training for the children?
Yes, you see, all these things that God given talent, and as you know, Kokobili, you know, I'm a medical doctor, fully registered with Nigerian Medical and Dental Council.
Yes.
All these things that God given talent. Don't be say I read engineering for university. I trained from University of Benin, fully certified by the Nigerian Medical and Dental Council. But you see, if you want to learn these things what they do, now God given talent, we will teach you. But you must sabi read and write. Now that's the problem though.
That's the basis.
If you know sabi read and write, that problem for us, we know if we train you because even if na primary 6 living certificate you get or WAEC secondary school living certificate now you get, we go fit train you as long as you go fit read, you sabi write. Because not be everybody we know say fit get pre-informed knowledge of electronics. So as you dey come from the public, general public, if you sabi read and write, the engineers go fair teach you the theory, how the thing dey work, wetin dey do. Then you go receive lecture for some period of time. Then you go write exam. We need to set exam for you. Make we make sure say all the things wey dey teach you since you dey even go as you dey read am, you dey follow am up before you start to dey carry sojiri iron come begin dey do the circuit proper. May no go put fire for person house come say na we certify you.
So if person wan reach Brightens now, how we tell you?
Brightens Electronics Company dey number 30 Federal Government Guest College Road, number 30 Federal Government Guest College Road near UBTH for Ugbowo, Benin City. We dey open our office only on Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Monday, Wednesday, Friday only from 10 o'clock in the morning to 5 o'clock in the evening because we dey use our Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday to dey manufacture wetin we dey sell based on our staff strength and to dey install for those who dey already pay based on our staff strength. If you wan call us for phone, our phone number na 080-894-62794. Make I repeat am 080-894-62794. Our MTN number na 080-3581-5348. Make I repeat am 080-3581-5348. If you wan search us for website, our website na www.brightens-electronics.com, or you like Brightens Electronics Company Facebook page, or you type the word videos of Brightens for YouTube, you go see all we dey do. My country people, una stay safe for this coronavirus pandemic. Una go.